Hi, boys and girls. How are you? I hope you're having a great day today. I just did this little video so I could explain to you what we're going to be doing today and what assignments you need to do. So when you log on to Canvas, you'll be looking at what I'm looking at. So if I go ahead and you can look at number one. I'm going ahead and circle number one. Okay, there we go. And it says 5 little turkeys. And so this is the paper that you're going to be looking at. 5 little turkeys. And I want you to write your name on the first page. And I'm just reading the directions here. Count the number of turkeys on each page and write the number on the line. So when we open it up, it'll make sense if we open it up. And when we zoom, I'll go into more detail, okay? So this is just to help you in case you get an early start, okay? So you're going to count the turkeys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're gonna write that number right here, okay? And then each time we're gonna take a turkey away, it says cross off 1 turkey on each page to show one has waddled, waddle, waddle, waddle. Complete the sentence with the correct number of turkeys. So each time we're gonna exit out and then count how many are left, okay? Good. And number 2, I'll circle number 2. It says turkeys count to 10. Now, boys and girls, I want you to look at this like it's our bubble math, okay? This is because we're doing our 10 frame. And so imagine that I've blown bubbles and I ask you, how many bubbles have I blown in all? And you'll say, well, 6, Mrs. Anderson. And then my next question I always ask is, how many are left? How many are left? And so we always have to count these empty boxes. Well, today what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill those in and you're gonna count how many you had to fill in. So imagine it's your turn and you're blowing the magic bubble wand and you have to get this number. And what is that number? Okay, so that's how you're gonna do that. I feel like you guys are gonna do that really well because we've done so much of that in class. Now, number 3 says, what comes next? Well, this is what comes next. It says, what comes next? And what I want you to do with each one of these lines, there's some numbers missing. So 5, hoo-hoo, 7, hoo-hoo, and 9. So you're gonna cut out these numbers down here, and each line you're gonna look at and say, okay, which number is missing? You're gonna find that number and glue it on there, okay? And the directions say that. It says to cut and paste or glue the missing number for each row, okay? Number 4, I can count by tens. I know you can. Okay, this page right here, I can count by tens. So what you're gonna do here, boys and girls, is you're going to trace, always we trace when we see those dotted lines, we're gonna trace those numbers, and down here, we're gonna fill them in. Think of this like the snowmen that we do in class, where we always have to put them in number order, by tens. So you can do that, and if you have trouble, there's a little handy dandy paper watch here that starts by 10. And every time it goes around, it goes in number order by tens, all the way to 100. So you can use that to help you. Really good practice because we need to know this. So it's just like our snowmen, okay? And then our very next one, number 5, there we go. It's our turkey dot to dot. You can probably spot this one. This is our turkey dot to dot. And the directions say to connect the dots in alphabet order. Well, boys and girls, we talk a lot about the alphabet, but we don't always stop to think about the order of the alphabet. So you can do a couple of things. You can sing A, B, C, D, all the way through. And as you do that, you can connect the dots. Or you can watch this video. This is Jack Hartman. All kindergarten teachers love Jack Hartman. He does some great songs. We've seen him in class before. And he's going to sing the alphabet with you in a different way. And you can write the letters down as you do them. You can connect the dots as you do them. It's a great fun way to put these in order. So however you want to do it, you can do that. And that's your last assignment for today. Now we will Zoom at 9:15 and we'll go through everything again of what's expected for the day. But then we're going to do our alphabet exercises, we'll do our brain exercises, and we'll then also do countdown. So we're going to get all of those daily things and those daily tasks that we do every day. We're still going to do them for the day, and then you'll have some independent work to do. Now, boys and girls, I want you just to keep all these papers together, so it's important that you put your name on them. Every single paper, name, name, okay? That way I can see how you're doing. I can see what great work you're doing. And if we're making mistakes, then I can see how to help you. So it's really important. And good luck. I hope you have fun. Everything is kind of a turkey, turkey, turkey. So gobble, gobble, and have a great day.